You crawl into bed exhausted. Your body feels done. Your eyes are heavy. But the moment the lights go off, your brain wakes up. Thoughts start racing, your heart feels louder, and suddenly you're wide awake. Again. Millions of people experience this every night, but neuroscience has discovered something surprising. Falling asleep fast isn't about being tired. It's about preparing your brain hours before you ever touch the bed. And there's even a technique used by the US Navy designed to make people fall asleep in under 2 minutes, even under extreme stress. Let's break down exactly how sleep actually works and how to use it. Sleep is not a switch you flip. It's a biological process your brain must allow. During the day, your nervous system runs in alert mode. Cortisol stays elevated. Muscles hold tension. The brain scans for threats. But at night, your brain needs proof that it's safe to shut down. Modern habits send the opposite signal. For example, bright screens, caffeine late in the day, constant stimulation, stress and overthinking. So when you lie down, your brain stays on guard. That's why trying harder to sleep makes it worse. Your body must drop its core temperature to initiate sleep, about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not optional, it's biology. Research shows that sleeping in a warm room reduces deep sleep, disrupts REM sleep, and increases nighttime awakenings. The ideal sleep temperature for most people is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Too cold isn't perfect, but too hot is far worse. This sounds backward, but it works. When you take a hot shower or bath, blood rushes to your skin. Heat leaves your core. When you step out, your body temperature drops rapidly. That sudden drop tells your brain it's time to sleep. This is one of the most reliable science-supported sleep triggers. Watching the clock activates stress. Every glance calculates how much sleep am I losing. That activates the brain's threat system. Studies show that time monitoring increases insomnia. If you can see the time, your brain can't relax. Caffeine doesn't just wear off. Its half-life is about 6 to 8 hours. That means afternoon coffee can affect midnight sleep. Chocolate and tea count too. Nicotine is also a stimulant. Even if it feels calming, avoid both late in the day. Your brain uses light to set its internal clock. Bright light at night tells your brain it's still daytime. That delays melatonin, the sleep hormone. Equally important, sunlight during the day matters just as much. At least 30 minutes of natural light helps your brain know when to shut down later. This technique is often associated with US Navy pilot training. It was reportedly developed to help pilots sleep under stress, in noisy environments, even while sitting upright. After about 6 weeks of practice, claims suggest up to 96% success. While the original military data isn't fully public, the method aligns closely with validated neuroscience techniques. First, relax the face. The face has direct connections to emotional regulation. Number 1, unclench the jaw. Number 2, relax the tongue. Number 3, drop the eyebrows. And finally, drop the shoulders. Because tension here signals readiness. Let gravity pull them down. So relax the body from top to bottom. Arms, chest, legs, feet. Each release tells the brain there is no threat. Finally, clear the mind without forcing it. Instead of don't think, use neutral imagery, like gentle waves, a hammock sway, or repeating a dull phrase. Boredom disengages the thinking brain. Muscle relaxation shuts down sensory feedback loops. Slow breathing activates the vagus nerve. Neutral imagery prevents emotional activation. Together, they shift the nervous system from alert to rest. Sleep follows naturally. This method is not magic. Your brain learns through repetition. Early attempts may fail, especially if you are sleep deprived. But with consistency, your brain associates the sequence with safety. That's when sleep comes fast. Sleep isn't about forcing rest. It's about creating the conditions your brain evolved to trust. Cool temperature, proper light timing, relaxed muscles, calm breathing, and when all else fails, let biology do the work. If this sparked your curiosity, you're already one of us. Because knowledge grows when it's shared. This is Illuminate Science, where curiosity turns into clarity.